Hello students, how are you? I am Rashmi, your English teacher. So today I have brought the poem The Dust of Snow. It is written by Robert Frost. Robert Frost is a great American poet and he is considered the voice of America. The poem looks very simple, but it has a very deep meaning. Just as the poet has he has shown that bad omen can be a good omen. That is the main idea. कि निराशा में भी आशा पोएट को दिखाई देती है. एक पैसिमिज्म को हटाकर ऑप्टिमिज्म दिखाया गया है. तो यहां पर पहले मैं आपको मेन पॉइंट्स बता देती हूं. देखिए, स्नो इज फॉलिंग, द पोएट इज इन ए सैड मूड, द क्रो कम्स एंड शेक्स द ट्री, द स्नो फॉल्स, द पोएट मूड चेंजेस, ही सेव्स द डे. दिखने में ये पोएम बिल्कुल सिंपल दिखाई दे रही है कि जस्ट एक क्रो बैठा है पेड़ पर. कौन सा पेड़? जो कि पॉइजनस प्लांट है, हेमलॉक. और क्रो भी एक अच्छा ओमन तो नहीं मानते. और जैसे ही वो पेड़ पर से बर्फ गिराता है क्रो, तो क्या होता है बच्चों कि पोएट का मूड चेंज हो जाता है. वो बहुत ही परेशान होकर बैठा हुआ था और बर्फ गिरने से क्या हुआ, डाइवर्जन हो गया. अब उस जगह को छोड़कर वो कहीं और चला गया और उसको बड़ा पछतावा हुआ कि मेरा दिन क्यों खराब गया था. अब मैं बाकी वाले दिन को यूटिलाइज करूंगा. तो इस तरह से इस पोएम में आयरनी भी दिखाई गई है. आयरनी क्या होती है? जो हम सोचते हैं उससे उल्टा होता है. आयरनी ये कि देखिए, जो ट्री है हेमलॉक वो पॉइजनस है, अच्छा नहीं मानते. क्रो को भी अच्छा नहीं मानते. लेकिन इस पोएम में वो दोनों एक ऑप्टिमिज्म का नोट लेकर आए हैं. और यहां पर यूज ऑफ सिंबल्स भी है और बहुत अच्छी ये पोएम है. चलिए अब हम स्टेंजा बाय स्टेंजा डिस्कस करते हैं. स्टेंजा 1. The way a crow shook down on me the dust of snow from a hemlock tree. कि देखिए, the poet is sitting under the hemlock tree. It is snowing. A crow shakes the tree and the snow falls on the poet. The crow and hemlock represent death. They are bad omen. Hemlock is poisonous tree. और कौवा कवि पर बर्फ गिरा देता है. Now come to the second stanza. Has given my heart a change of mood and saved some part of a day I had ruined. Now the falling of snow changed the mood of the poet, and he saved the day which he could have wasted otherwise. उसने अपने दिन को बचा लिया. Ruined means here regret. Rhyming scheme is A B A B C D C D. There is use of irony and symbol. Irony मैंने पहले बता ही दिया है, जो सोचते हैं उससे विपरीत होता है. And crow and hemlock are here good omens. The bad omens they changed into good omen for the poet. So it is irony. कुछ भी ऐसा नहीं होता. वास्तव में जिस क्षण जो काम हो रहा होता है उसी के अनुसार अपने आप को ढाल लेना चाहिए. तो एक बहुत ही एक अच्छा मैसेज इस पोएम के द्वारा दिया गया है. नाउ I will discuss the question answer with you. Question number 1 here, please see. What is dust of snow? So, I have told you many times here, dust of snow means particles of snow. Dust doesn't mean dhool mitti, no, particles of snow. Question number 2. So, how has his mood changed? So, his mood changed as the crow just shook the tree and the snow fell on the poet. His attention diverted and his mood changed. Now come to the second question. What is a hemlock tree? Very easy. Hemlock is a poisonous tree. Question number 3. Second part is also there. Why doesn't the poet write about more beautiful trees? Yes, this is a good question. Other trees could have been written. Why has been hemlock tree been mentioned here? Very clear. The poet was not in a good mood. He was sad. That is why he has taken hemlock tree. That is the omen of sorrows. And now come to the question number 3. What do hemlock and crow represent here in the poem? Now we will not say again hemlock and crow, again the bad omen in the poem. No, they are the omen of goodness here, and that is the main quality of this poem. Even the evil has been glorified by the poet. Are they good here? Yes, they are good here because they have shown a way to the optimism. Poet Day was saved because of the crow. So now the poem is clear. Students, I hope you all must have understood the poem, the question answers very nicely. Now learn them properly and have a very, very good day. Bye, students.